Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, of course, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And then let's enter reset options, which is at the bottom of the list, and here we've got the network divided into two categories. First one, the mobile data, mobile network, and then we've got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We will reset both. So let's simply tap on the option and tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you want to really do it, because you cannot undo this action, so just tap on reset settings, and as you can see, it has been reset. Let's go back and do the same for the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it, tap on reset, and as you can see, we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.